Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's Mobile Mechanics. I'm looking at a Citroen Relay with a block DPF. It's a 2018 model, so we're just going to go in and read the fault codes here that we're looking at. Particle filter and particle filter. Now he's just had someone work on this and the faults keep coming back. So I'm going to go back. We've already reset a lot of stuff on this before I started recording, so let me just see what we have. It's the reference of the differential sensor, exhaust line information 1. So we've got 89 grams calculated. So we'll start the vehicle up now, read the differential pressure. That's extremely high. And there the engine lights just come back on because obviously we did reset it before. And we've got all 4 codes are back now, so we're going to go ahead and clean it out. So I'm using these products here. This is a Launch UK DPF gun, and this is the Launch UK DPF particle cleaning fluid. So we'll put that in there into the bottle, and we're going to mix it 50% with deionized water. Got the DPF pressure hose off here. This one runs just along here. It's hard to get an angle. So you got 2 pressure hoses, one before and one after the DPF here. So just got our gun air connected onto that line once we disconnected the DPF pressure hose. Now we can just squeeze in the fluid. So once all our fluid's been in, what we're going to do is fill up a second bottle, and now we are going to start the van up. We'll let the engine run while we spray in the second bottle. Okay, now we're back under the van. We're just going to connect back up the pressure hose. And we'll use our hose pliers to just close it back up. Now we'll have some foam coming out of the exhaust there. And it looks like over here we've got a little bit of a leaky exhaust. Oh no, that's a drainage. Looks like that's pretty normal. So just give the van some revs. Okay, we're going to go back into the data stream, look at the particle filter, the pressure. So now we are on 7. Let's rev it all the way up as far as it goes. 50. So we're just holding on max revs at the minute. So now the DPF pressure is down to an acceptable limit. We can go to work on the control emissions and adapt in a new particle filter. Just tell her it's had a new particle filter basically. And once that's done, we should now be able to delete the fault code. We need to just get that reconnected. Okay, so we just got that reconnected. Now we have the particle filter fault. Now you can see that's gone from a permanent fault to a temporary. So now we should be able to clear it. So before, if we cleared that code and then we go out, come back in to read it, it would return. But now it's gone. So just to confirm that, we'll start the vehicle up running for a few minutes and then re-scan it again. So now we've got no warning lights on. We'll go back to read the data stream, and I think it was in exhaust line 2, differential pressure, 5 millibars. 37. Now we can actually increase the revs further because it's not in limp mode. We can go all the way up to the top. Now we'll just go back out of there. We'll go to the exhaust line 1. Weight of soot in the particle filter, 0 grams. That's it, all finished on the Citroen relay, and he's making his way all the way back to the very furthest point of Scotland. And Scotland seems to be a popular place for people coming this week. I've had this a second person from Scotland. So I'll see you on our next video.